Get a close up of that.
Close up,
Yeah.
Door here, dude. Which one of these doors is? Need open one. There ain't that flat right here.
You just let off of it when you want to start filming? You just let off of it when you want to stop filming?
I'll push it again.
Cool.
Ain't it?
But nothing good.
Somebody's come up here yet, Lee. Everybody's come. Yeah. He settled outside there.
They would, we went down there long ago with sister thing. They would, still being serious, what's their ID? We had to go back up here to get their ID number and everything. They wouldn't let them go in if they didn't have ID. And I said, what is it allowed? People that told them to live there, they come down there. But if they didn't have an ID number, they wouldn't let them go in there. So then they take out cards once you give them the name. Your name ain't on that bill. Still pull up. They don't call the patients and see if you want them to come and see them. It's just names on that paper. If your name ain't on it, you don't go. And I did. It's a commercial.
Just people.
Look, he's doing it now. He's down. Are you pushing those people up there on the table? We'll keep that man down of the table after me.
Okay.
You still work at the TV shop? I got one.
You got what now?
I got one for you.
Young just has it.
I gotta come down this time tomorrow now.
Hey, well, what it is I believe now, maybe more to it, but the power tube went out in it. You know what I'm talking about? Got a little cap that you put on it, but when I took it out to get the size, I was gonna go down to the place down in town and get it myself. When I took it out, it shattered.
What happened to you?
When? Talk to my mama the wrong way.
Did you get fired or did you get stoned? What'd you do?
Nah, pulling pipe wrench, slip. Talking to her.
Boom. Did you cry?
No, cuss.
I thought you would. I just figured I'd ask if you cried.
Couldn't find nothing to hit.
Really? You could just start yourself worse. You should have went out and killed a dog, a cat or something.
Nah, they didn't do that.
I know, I'm just kidding. Is that your movie camera? From Adams and Sons or something like that section?
Right.
Of course. Man, I was trying to much. Is that how many chicken dinners or something?
It was kept up with first, but I mean, you can't take it. So it was kept up with through here. Now this down here, everybody's know.
My brother done that right there. Guarantee you. I can tell that right. Plus, I seen him do it.
I had a lot to do with it.
Yeah.
Going out.
Where are you going to?
Out of his range. Out of his range.
Let's go ahead.
See,